two kinds of contractors that I've experienced from a tax standpoint. So there's contractor one. Contractor one is growing by leaps and bounds, just buying more trucks, hiring more guys, doing more jobs, and his business is growing, 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 growing. But he doesn't have a lot of cash in the business. And so every year the tax bill comes and it's like panic, right? He's either got to go on an IRS payment plan, he's got to borrow money, maybe he doesn't pay himself, right? Or his growth plans for that year kind of have to shrink back because now he's got this 30, 40, $50,000 tax bill. Contractor 2 has seen this movie before. And so what he does is he stockpiles cash, but what happens is his sales plateau. His business doesn't grow. He ends up doing about the same profit year in and year out because he doesn't put his money to work in his business to grow it because he just never knows what that tax bill is going to be and he wants to make sure he has that money aside. So when he's surprised by his tax bill, he's still got the money to write the check. And both of these contractors, their problem is that they have a mystery tax bill. The problem is that they don't know what the tax bill is going to be. If contractor one knew what the tax bill would be, he would know how much he had to kind of peel off, how much wasn't available to invest in his business and still pay the tax. If contractor two knew his tax bill, he would know how much he was allowed or able to rip off from his bank account to put into marketing or into hiring another guy or buying another truck. And so knowing your tax bill throughout the year, knowing it ahead of April or ahead of October or whenever you end up filing your return is really important to making sure you don't overspend and then have a problem or have lazy money in your business so then you don't grow.